What's going on guys, Pog here and welcome to today's unboxing video. In this video I'm going to go ahead and unbox the Beats Studio 3 wireless headphones. So this one here is the shadow gray color, which looks pretty nice as you guys can see. On the front of the box it does say that this one has up to 22-hour battery life. If you haven't seen my video on the Solo 3s, which have up to I believe 44 hours of battery life, which is just crazy, this one here has only 22 hours, except that these headphones kind of go over your ears instead of against your ears, if I'm making sense. But yeah, so here we have special editions, and I'm guessing that's for the shadow gray here. On the left side here, you guys can see a better look at what the headphones itself look like. Studio 3 wireless, and we have this very nice color combination here with the shadow gray and Beats by Dr. Dre right there. So if we look over here in the back of the box, you guys, we can see. So Studio 3 wireless right over here, as you guys can see, wireless Bluetooth. It also has pure adaptive noise cancelling, so pure ANC, and with the battery life, so if you have ANC off for low power mode, it over here says battery up to 22 hours, ANC on, which seems to be the pure adaptive noise cancelling, so ANC. If you have that on, you'll get up to 22 hours of battery life, and if you have that off, so 40 hours ANC off, which is pretty cool there. So actually you could possibly get very nice battery life here, so if you have that off. So if we look at over here, this also has fast fuel, so 10 minutes charge equals 3 hours of play, which is also very nice. And here we have control music and manage calls, as well as built-in wireless microphone. And over here on the bottom, it does show exactly what it kind of comes with, which is pretty nice. All right, so now that being there, on the right side over here, we do have people aren't hearing all the music. With Beats, people are going to hear what the artist hear and listen to the music the way they should, the way I do, Dr. Dre. So that's pretty cool over there. And then over here, it does say that this here is the shadow gray with, you know, like this golden outline here, as well as the gray color. And the box is kind of very nice as well. It seems like it's matching the color of the headphones. We'll take a look at that in a moment. Made for iPhone, iPad, and iPod. So, all right. And the top, obviously, we do have this carrying thing, I guess, so you can kind of hang it on the shelf if you're selling it. And yeah, that being said, well, I guess I wasn't gonna need a opening knife for this. I could have just done it like that. I did have my very nice, cool looking knife right here, which definitely wasn't handy in this unboxing here. I don't know if I just did that, but oh well. It is just the box. And all right, so now that out of the way, you guys, let's go ahead and lift this out. So we're gonna open it up like this, so the sleeve just nicely comes off like so. As you can see, now we have this nice golden logo there for the Beats. Here we've got the actual sleeve here that goes over the box. All right, so guys, ready? Let's go ahead and lift this open. So nicely done. Come on, let's see. I'm having a hard time. It does not open. Okay. Let's see. I thought this was supposed to open like super quickly, but I must be doing it wrong or what? There we go. Here we got the top of the box, which has this nice hard cardboard there. All right, so putting that aside, you guys, here we have it. Change the way you hear sound. We have this nice little cool sleeve here that I can just pull upwards, and it takes this cardboard paper out of the way. All right, let's put this aside right now. And over here we do have this very nice actually carrying case. Okay, so the Solo 3s that I had, definitely the bag was nowhere near the quality of this one. So let's go ahead and put this aside for now. Now over here we have this, so I'm just gonna pull it. And on the Solo 3, the box, this was kind of cardboard, but now we still have this very cool fancy material here, just like we have it over there, which is a nice little touch. Let's go ahead and put that away. All right, guys, so here we have Beats over here, which is the manuals and stuff, and this one actually is nice and slidey. You don't have to cut any tape, again, just unlike the Solo 3s. So take that off. Here we've got the Studio 3 wireless Beats sticker right there. important safety information, as well as the Apple's 1-year limited warranty. So let's take a look at this real quick, you guys. So opening this up, it kind of tells us everything about iOS 11 and I guess how to pair it. I personally do not use these manuals, but it's nice to show you guys kind of what they look like right here, because they're so simple to pair. Once you turn them on, it kind of also on your iPhone kind of shows you you want to pair these new Beats. So it's kind of very cool. So I don't know if you guys will ever use these manuals, but if you do, you know, it's nice to have them included as always. So putting this putting that away. Okay, so then we got this. Did I just literally forget the name again? Okay, but yeah, we have this nice thing that you can just have it hanging on your backpack maybe. So we've got fast fuel, 10-minute charge, 3+ hours of play, which is pretty cool. And this one here is using a micro USB, as you guys can probably tell right there. All right, so putting this away. Lastly, we have this headphone jack here, I'm guessing, which does have its own volume controls right over there. So let's put this away as well. And it seemed like the bottom of the box was kind of coming out. Let's see if there's anything hiding under it. Not really. So we do have this very cool cardboard that's apparently lifting the box, or I guess making sure that that actually lays downwards. So like you have this cover right here, so it kind of lands on top, it seems like, so that, you know, it's nicely leveled, if I'm making sense. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, at least we saw that. All right, now let's go ahead and put all this stuff away real quick, because I totally not gonna need this to show you guys the Beats. So let's kind of clean the work environment here. So putting this away. All right, so we've got all these charging stuff. We can just throw that there. All right, guys, so here we have the actual carrying case for the Studio 3s, which looks pretty nice, of course. Feels very nice in the hand and nice to the touch. Then over here, we do have this right here. So I guess you can use the carabiner clip here to just kind of connect this to it and maybe attach it to your bag or something like that. So there we go. You kind of have it like this now, and you can just go ahead and attach it somewhere else pretty easily. So that's what I'm thinking that this is for here. But again, let me know guys in the comments below. So let's put that away. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. We do have a zipper that goes all around it, as you guys can probably tell. So here we go. Let's unzip this real quick. And the case is honestly, guys, so much nicer than the Solo 3. So opening this up, here we go. All right, so we have this very nice material here, you guys. Not sure what kind of material it is, but it feels super smooth to the touch. Very nice. All right, so we've got that there. All right, let's go ahead and put the headphones aside for a second. And this one here doesn't seem like has anywhere that you can kind of put like your cables or whatever. Maybe you can put them in here as well. Yeah, it doesn't seem like there's any openings there, but yeah, so same material right over here, you guys. So very similar texture there. So let's put that away. Let's put that there. All right, guys, so here we have the Studio 3s. All right, so opening this up, obviously it's nice and foldable like this, so you can easily store it away. It is adjustable, as you guys can probably tell. All right, and you can again put it off. It's kind of nice that because it doesn't actually close itself. You have to kind of want it to close itself, which is nice right there. So looking over here, it does say Studio 3 right there. We've got the Beats logo over here, and then here it says wireless. So it says wireless here, and then it says Studio 3 here. So I really like the way this one looks here. As you can see, we have this nice goldish color over here, so it's like this nice two-tone. And I did promise, let's see if we can kind of put that aside. So here's the box, and as you can see, there is the actual headphones, so they're kind of matching, which is super cool actually. So yeah, the box does match with the color, which is very nice, at least for this one here, which is the special edition. We have Beats that says right there with the golden lettering, I guess, which looks pretty nice. Over here, it does go ahead and say that this one here is the left side, as well as here it says it's the right side, which is pretty cool with an R. Then over here, it tells us exactly what each do. So we've got the we got the controls for the volume up and down, and this, guys, oh my god, this, I don't know what it is, but this feels interesting, like the texture of the sticker here. But yeah, so let's go ahead and open this up. And again, you guys can see that this one here definitely still nice and clean, doesn't show any pluses there. We've got our fuel gauge here, I guess. Here's where we charge it. So charge me up, says it right there, which is pretty cool. Micro USB goes there, putting that away. Then this one here, I don't know if you guys can probably tell, like there is tiny flex here, I guess, to get the best comfort for your ears. Now the earpieces itself, you guys, it's super smooth actually, so definitely very comfortable to wear, I bet. So this one here is very soft and smooth. I don't know if you guys can tell, very nice. Then we have this nice rubberized, I guess, smooth surface there for the top of the head, I guess. So yeah, I mean, having this here, we've got the headphone jack there, as you guys can see, and then the fuel gauge. If you hold this a little bit, it does go ahead and dents up. I guess I have to hold it a little bit more. There we go. So it kind of shows that it's probably ready to pair, as well as right there we've got this indicator there. This might be the microphone. I don't know if you guys can see that there's this tiny dot there, so I'm not sure again if that's the microphone or not, but it does have a built-in microphone, guys. So yeah, well, thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a like and also subscribe to the channel for more. And that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.